welcome back to my channel. It's Golden Jollof Rice, and also Happy New Year. You guys, we're in 2019 and this is the first video of the new year. So I'm coming to you guys today with an unboxing video. I got another box from Influenster and Lancôme, and I'm really excited. I'm just so grateful to receive this box. This is $200 worth of stuff in here, and I'm just gonna get right to it because no one likes a long drawn out video. I was afraid to use the products because I do have sensitive skin, and when it comes to trying new products, my skin either hates it or freaks out. But I'm really impressed with Lancôme. They really came through. This vitamin C serum did not break my face out. Like, I tried some last night to give an honest review, and I will keep you guys updated because I did have a slight breakout right here, like right here, because my period is coming up, and the next morning it went flat with using this and the retinol cream in combination. I'm gonna get into the retinol cream, but yeah, keep in mind that 15% is like the highest you can get on the market, and this retails for $65, and I want to keep using it to see if it's really worth the price. You know, I can't really give like an honest opinion of it yet, but so far so good. Lancôme just came out with their first retinol cream. This is retinol cream at 0.2%. It's not even 1%. Yeah, and I'll put all the details and stuff on the side somewhere on the screen. But yeah, they just released their first retinol cream, and they said they wanted to make it more gentle because the traditional retinol cream you get from the dermatologist can be very harsh. I know my brother used some because he had some slight acne. He got some from the dermatologist, and it does peel the skin. It can really peel your skin and be harsh, and your skin is just flaky like some frosted flakes, child. It's just horrible. But anywho, they made a gentle version of their own, and it does have a perfume scent to it. Now, caution, I don't recommend using this every day. I recommend using it every other day, and just use it at night because retinol cream is not like meant to be used like every day like a moisturizer. And I suggest just putting it on problem areas. Please avoid the eyes because it can burn your eyes. I just think this is amazing. I tried some myself. I had a minor breakout, and the next morning it just went flat. I used this in addition to the vitamin C serum, and I hope, you know, these will fade some of my faint hyperpigmentation, some of my dark marks. But I noticed this made my skin more smoother because I did have some slight texture around here from those breakouts. So if you do have enlarged pores, fine lines, wrinkles, I suggest stopping by Sephora and picking some of this up. I don't know about the wrinkles and stuff part because I'm just 21. I don't have wrinkles. I do have some slight smile lines because I'm too nice. I always smile. But yeah, if you're interested in trying this, stop by Sephora or Macy's and pick up a sample. The next product is some setting spray, and yeah, please ignore the background noise. If you hear any noise, it's my dad on the phone. But yeah, this is some setting spray from their line. It's called the Fix It and Forget It setting spray, and it's more so like a mist. It doesn't have any smell to it. I don't know why people were saying it smells so good. It smells like rubbing alcohol, but yeah, it's just a setting spray. I will let you guys know if it is worth the price. This retails for, I believe, $35, $17 to $35, depending on which size you get, because I think this is the small size. This one would be $17 because they have a bigger bottle than this. Last but not least, they sent me some translucent setting powder. This is like a tinted setting powder, kind of like the Benai banana powder, or the what's it called? This one by another brand, Laura Mercier powders. So they came out with their own, and they have only 2 shades. This was the deepest shade, and then they have one for more fair skin people. That one looked like it was for people on the Caucasian side, but yeah. So this is how it looks like when you open it up, and it has this little pad, so you would just blot like that. I read some reviews about it, and some people complain that it's not really good for like on the go, and it's very messy and there's a lot of fallout. But yeah, I will review it in my next makeup tutorial. I think I'm just gonna do a everyday makeup tutorial and see how it works, because I might have a different opinion than them. I just hope the shade will be okay on me. I think they should come out with a few more colors, because there's more skin tones than just light and dark, and this isn't even that dark. But I feel like they should come out with like a tan shade and a deeper shade, because there are women of color, like black women, who are darker than me. They need to have more variety than this. I think for someone who's on the darker side, like really deep, like that YouTuber Nima Tang, she's so beautiful. I think this is like a setting powder she could use under her eyes for like a highlight, and that's about it. Like, they need to have more variety when it comes to like shade ranges.